Hi, I'm Naina Manori, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SVIT, Bangalore. I'm the course coordinator for Advanced Surveying. Module 2, Tachyometry. Determine the gradient from a point A to a point B from the following observations with a tachyometer fitted with an analytic lens. The constants of the instrument was 100 and staff was held vertically. This is a tabular column they have given. Instrument station, it is at P and the staff point A and B, and the bearing value 134 degree and 224 degree, and the vertical angle plus 10 degree 32 minutes plus 5 degree 6 minutes, and the staff reading at A, it is 1.360, 1.925 and 2.470. Similarly at B, 1.065, 1.885, 2.705. You need to determine the gradient from A to B point. First, write down the given data. When the instrument station, it is at P and the staff at A and B, readings they have given. Okay, the observation which is taken on A, I will give it as the first observation, that is theta 1. The observation which is taken on stop point A, that is what angle, vertical angle it is, plus 10 degree 32 minutes, and observation which is taken on B staff point, I will give it as second observation, that is theta 2, it is plus 5 degree 6 minutes. Okay, and the middle air reading, when it is at A staff point, middle air reading it is denoted by H, it is 1.925 meter. Similarly, middle air reading when it is at the staff point B, it is 1.885 meter. Then the staff intercept, difference between upper and lower stadia airing. The first reading will be upper, second it is middle, and the third one is the lower stadia reading. First to calculate the staff intercept, that is S1, difference of what, upper and lower, which is higher value is subtracted. 2.470 minus 1.360, you will get it as 1.110 meter. Okay, similarly calculate S2, that is S2, difference of what, upper and lower, that is 2.705 minus 1.065. Okay, we will get it as 1.640 meter. You need to calculate what? That is the gradient from point A to the point B. Okay, in order to calculate the gradient, first you need to calculate the distance between, that is the staff instrument station P to at A as well as instrument station to that B staff point. You need to calculate it. I will write down that figure. You can observe here. See, this is the tachyometer station, that is P. This is the P station, an observation which is taken to staff point A as well as B. Okay, this is A, like this, the ground profile. This is B staff point and this is A staff point. This is what the line of sight. The distance between P station and B, and the distance between tachyometer station to that A. You need to calculate it in order to calculate the gradient between A and B. Okay, from the tachyometer station to that staff's point A, that distance I have denoted by D1. Similarly from P to B it is D2. Okay, next what the observations they have done, that is the vertical angle. Write down the 3 stadia hairs, upper, middle and lower. Similarly to that A point. Okay. This is theta 2, it is plus 5 degree 6 minutes. Similarly 10 degree 32 minutes. Okay. Next is what? From the middle ear to this line of sight, that height you call it as vertical component V2, and this height you call it as what? H2. And similarly here also, this is H1, and this line of sight to this you call it as V1. Okay, this is the figure. Your aim is to calculate first D1 and D2, then later on you can calculate the gradient from A to B. First calculate distance D1. It is what? Distance between P and A. It is given by what? Ks cos square theta plus C into cos theta. P to A, it is the first observation. S will be S1, theta will be the theta 1. Substitute the value. K is 100. S1 value it is 1.11 into cos square of theta 1, it is 10 degree 32 minutes plus C value it is understood. When K equals to 100, if they have not mentioned, means it is understood, take it as 0. If it is C 0, then C into cos theta 1 will become 0. Upon simplification, you will get it as D1 as 107.29 meter. This is what? D1. Similarly, you need to calculate D2, that is what? PB distance. Same equation, K into S2 cos square theta 2 plus C into cos of theta 2. Substitute. K is 100 and S2 value it is 1.64 into cos square of theta 2, it is 5 degree 6 minutes plus 0. Then D2 you will get it as 162.7 meter. Next is what? You need to calculate, that is the vertical component, that is V1 and V2. Okay. That is vertical component V1 will be equal to what? Ks sine 2 theta divided by 2 plus C into sine theta. It is first observation. Okay. Then substitute the value. K is 100 and S1 is 1.11 into sine of 2 into theta value it is 10 degree 32 minutes divided by 2. C value will be 0. Then V1 you will get it as 19.94 meter. Similarly calculate vertical component, that is V2, that is K into S2 divided by sine of 2 theta 2 divided by C into sine of theta 2. Substitute the value 100. S2 value it is 1.64 into sine of 2 into theta 2, it is 5 degree 6 minutes divided by 2. Sorry, here divided by 2. Okay, plus 0. Upon simplification, you will get it as V2 as 14.52 meter. Next, gradient they have given. Okay, from the instrument station they have measured the bearing value to that A. Okay, that is 134 degree. Similarly, when the tachyometer it is at B, they have observed the bearing value to that B staff point. You got it as 224 degree. You need to calculate the gradient between A as well as B. First you calculate, that is the angle APB. Angle APB will be equal to this inside angle. You need to calculate it. It is given by what? Okay, difference of these two angles, that is 224 minus 134. 224 degree minus 134 degree. You will get it as what? 90 degree. Okay, the inside angle it is 90 degree. Okay, then you need to calculate the gradient, that is what, distance between A as well as B point. Okay, you have calculated the distance between PA as well as PB, that is what your D1 and D2. You need to calculate AB distance. Okay, the inside angle, it is 90 degree. Okay, then applying that is Pythagoras theorem. Applying that is Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to PA square plus PB square. You want AB, that is AB equal to under square root of PA is 107.29 whole square plus PB value is 162. Upon simplification, you will get it AB as 194.89 meter. This is what the gradient between A and B. Thank you.